Are you ready, Sol? Part 2. Iran vlog continues. Next stop. Yeah, baby. So we just got off that plane, and that's the airport. Welcome to Birjan. This is my mum's city. It's not my mum's city, sorry. This is, well, this is my grandparents' city, but it's my city. Oh, the sunlight. It's 15 degrees because it's the desert, and then in the daytime it goes up to like 45. Yeah, right now it's like 7 AM, and that's the airport. Cute thing. So we're here at my uncle's house, my great uncle's house here in Birjan, and we are about to have some brekkie. Look at this bread, please. He literally just got this from the, like, it's hot right now. He literally just got it from the baker's. It's like 7:30 in the morning, and like they've got like cheese, tomato.
This is my favorite. Look.
Carrot.
It's kham and asal, cream, like thick double cream mixed with honey.
And look, we got walnuts.
And it's my lovely Amujan.
So this is my great uncle Amujan. So he is my mom's dad's brother, but he's like my grandpa. He's literally my favorite person ever.
I love my Amujan.
So my uncle is a dentist here in Birjan. So if you ever need a dentist and you're in Birjan, I really need a nap. I'm actually dead. I've literally not slept in like a day. No, 2 days. And yeah, we're gonna sleep. Sol's like literally half naked. This is like the living room. And then like we've got the bedrooms all here. And yeah, this is like a very Iranian house, Persian house here in Birjan. And each floor has its own kitchen. So I was just downstairs, that had its own kitchen, and then like this floor has its own kitchen as well. Although it looks like they're doing like some sort of DIY on it, I don't know. But yeah, love it here. I'm so glad I brought you guys with me. So it's night time here in Birjan. We've come out. Parking skills on point. You gotta love this. Gotta love it. ما آمدیم بیرون تو شهر. I'm still dying of this parking. ما آمدیم بیرون تو شهر. We've come out in the city. I'm gonna show you guys. This is a very small town, and I mean it's a small city, and the vibe is much different to like Tehran. So if you guys have watched the Tehran vlog, you'll notice that it's completely different to this. But I want to show you guys all aspects of Iran. It's so beautiful. Every city is so unique, and yeah, I think you guys will love it. So we've come to like this shisha place, and like each side has like caves. It's really cool. So this is like a shisha place. It's kind of like hidden.
It's so cool.
It's very cool. I don't even know what it's called, but I'll be sure to tell you guys the name in case any of you are visiting Birjan.
In here is Piston. Piston Qalyuni. In Birjan.
It's very traditional vibes in here, and everyone sits in like caves and they take off their shoes, like me. Yeah. Sorry, this like thing keeps.
It's so nice here because basically you're not just experiencing a country based on the western side of things, like 5-star hotels and restaurants and so on.
Just got some tea. This is called nabat, and it's basically like a sugar cane, and like we put it, and it's like meant to be like, it is like our remedy for like belly aches and like, everything. And like there's like memes where like if there's something wrong with you, like
Nabat, chai nabat.
Chai nabat. So you have it with chai, you stir it into a chai. Belly ache, chai nabat. God forbid cancer, chai nabat. No, I'm joking, but like as in they genuinely.
Everything, chai nabat.
Microphone,
Chai nabat. Can't find a husband, chai nabat.
So we're just walking through the streets of Birjan, and they have cute little stores. it's so cool to see like how different everything is here versus like the capital city. I spy some Yeezys. We're going for dinner. We have reservations at 9:30. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am absolutely starving. But in this city, in Birjan, everyone goes for dinner really late. This is a very famous ice cream shop. It's called Nasir. So we came out for some Italian food. This is the restaurant. It's called Pie. And we've all demolished the food. There is literally nothing left on the tables anymore. It's all empty. And what did you think of the food? Did you like it? That was so dishonest. Now we are gonna go to my mum's cousin's house and we're all gonna chill there together, have chai, shisha and everything. This city is a lot of like, if you like know your family, relatives and stuff, then you'll have a lot of places to go and a lot of people to visit. So like we're literally booked out for breakfast, lunch, dinner, between breakfast and lunch, and between lunch and dinner. Like it's crazy. It's so cool to see, but it's so fun.
Sister.
Hello. Hello.
I miss you a lot.
I missed you too. Aren't you cute? Where are we?
Persian. In front of.
Tickle his little couple, 6-month pregnant belly, telling us he does piyade ravi. Piyade ravi mikunam.
He walks to the kebab now.
چرا کباب شد؟
میگم پیاده روی میره تا کبابیه.
Day 2 in Birjan with the crew. Hello. Hello. So
خانمم سلام میکنم.
وای ریختم.
میان تو بلاگم رو خانم؟
جان؟
میان تو بلاگم دیگه.
آره اشکال نداره.
Salam. So this is my great uncle's wife, Rob Khanum. Begin hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
Amu John. We've come to, this is called the Mehman Saray Jahangardi. اینجا یه مهمان سرای توی بیرجن. ما اومدیم اینجا نهار بخوریم با رباب خانم و عمو جون و خیلی اینجا جالبه. Daddy, what are you gonna eat?
I don't know, definitely something kebab.
Oh wow. This man is so original. He is the kebab monster. Right?
Yes, I am.
And the cake monster. بهترین کباب ایرانی چیه؟
کباب سلطانی. برگ کوبیده با هم.
This is my favorite salad, Shirazi. If you watch any of my London vlogs, then you know I love this so much. In Iran, for some reason, they always bring the dessert at the same time as the main. So, this is my favorite rice. It's Zelash Polo. And my favorite kebab is juja. So this is what I'm having. I'm having juja kebab with Zelash Polo. My fork is stuck. There we go. My mom is asking her uncle if he has Instagram. Hi, Saul. Soila. What are you saying?
Are you sure you don't want anything from the Syrian shop?
Is it on you? Wait, but there's so much stuff I want. I don't know. I think I want this.
I love this actually. It's so cute.
It looks like you.
These are cute though.
They are cute. See, this is what you deserve for taking a piss. You know, in all my vlogs, you're just making that kiss face. It's a bit perverted.
It's my kiss thing.
It's a bit perverted.
People kisses.
It's very perverted. latte. This full look is sponsored by Zara. My name's Nasir. My mantle is from Forever 21 from 2 years ago. My top is from Zara, and my jeans are from Zara, and my shoes are H&M. And my sunglasses are Key.
Where's your sister from?
My sister, I bought her from the market. I'm never gonna get over people parking like this. Like, what is going on? Salam! How funny, we're just walking in the streets and of course we bump into family. Yeah, everyone just parks so funny here. Look at this. They don't even care. Look at this. I've already had one, but it's actually my fave. می‌چم یکی دیگه بردارم.
What is it called? A sweet shop? No, confetti. What is it called? Look at this girl. She's too busy vlogging and recording herself. What is this place called?
This is a sweet shop.
Okay, so we've come to a sweet shop, a bakery, sorry, in Iran, and it's just so beautiful.
That is my favorite thing ever. It's actually like just made of like butter. So in Iran, when we go to see people in their houses, we bring sweets. So we've come to see my mum's auntie, and I swear to God.
I'm not gonna do it because you're gonna tell me off.
Hey bruv, hey bruv. So we're walking through the city. This is near the bazaar. اونجا مسجده. الان اذان شبه تو این شهر زیبا. همه آمدیم بریم بازار. آره؟
بازار بیرجن.
اینم بازار بیرجن.
اینجا بازار قدیمیه.
میفروشن طلا، کمربند، کیف، دمپایی. همه میان خریداشون رو از اینجا میکنن. خیلی قشنگه که هنوز تو این شهر اون کالچر چی میشه پدر؟
فرهنگ.
هنوز اون فرهنگ بازار رو دارن. هنوز اون فرهنگ بازار رو دارن. اصلا من توش هستم پدر.
بله.
هنوز اون فرهنگ بازار رو دارن تو این شهر. اذانم قشنگ پشت داره میزنه. اذان شب خیلی زیبا. کیف میکنه آدم. So this is a store in the bazaar that has all of the fresh herbs and spices. So we're buying saffron, we're buying rose to put in our chai, and they've got everything here, everything. This is cardamom we put in our tea. What else do you get when you're here?
Cash. Cash.
Like they've got all the sweets.
Natural food.
Yeah, look at all of this food. This is all homemade food. And it's crazy incredible. Look at that. This is qeema. This is badam jawn. This is homemade bread. This is dool from a local village nearby. That's dessert, rice, salad, sabzi. It's all local, homemade and fresh. Are you excited?
Full خورشت.
Sadek Jun, are you excited?
So much excited.
Are you excited to eat all this food?
Oh, I'm so excited.
Like, I want to undo my jeans already, but we'll get there.
I wish I was wearing baggy jeans in there.
So how cool is this? It's like 3 in the morning and the parks are open. We dropped our car and we decided to walk it back from where we were. But like, how cool is this? Like, you can literally go to the park now, and like in Iran, loads of people, like, they have like picnics in the park at night time. Like, they'll come and like loads of people come and like have dinner or whatever. But this is obviously more common in smaller cities. Like, you won't get that in like Tehran or whatever. But obviously now it's 3 AM, it's quite dead. But yeah, this park is really big. And I remember when it first launched like years back, they had like a zoo in the park. Like, it was really cool, but they don't have that anymore apparently. But like, they've got like this little monument thing. It's really pretty. They say good things take time, and that is why I am always late. We are on our way to lunch. It's Friday, which is the rest day in here in Iran. So everyone literally just goes out to eat, sees their family. Everywhere is like closed apart from like restaurants and, you know, chill out places. That's more like apparent in smaller cities compared to Tehran. Actually, I think in Tehran, like obviously everywhere's closed. It's a bit like a weekend in Western countries. It is the weekend, i.e. On a Friday. So yeah, everywhere is shut. We are going to see my what are they called, like second cousins, I guess, at this point. My great uncle's children, and we're going to a hotel called Kusa. I don't know. I feel like my dad's making that up as well. Yeah, we're going to go eat and chill and everything. It's like 2 in the afternoon. Here everyone eats so late. Last night we had dinner at like 11 p.m. So it makes you like eat triple because you're so hungry by the time you eat. But yeah, that is the plan. Is my headscarf still on somewhere? Yeah, so that's what we're doing. I don't remember what on earth my dad said this hotel was called, but it's actually called the Bijan Grand Mountain Hotel. Hotel Cuisine Bozorge Bijan. Here we are. We just spent like 10 minutes outside taking photos, and all the photos are hideous. There's so much wind. There's so much wind, we can't take a photo.
Stopped for you and not for me.
Yeah, but even then she was against the light. Like literally the photos weren't working for us, but we'll see what we come up with. Let's go without these people. Quick, shut the door, shut the door, shut the door. Press it again, press it again. Oh my god, music in the lift, how foreign.
My voice is so beautiful, I don't even know why I did medicine.
Oh wow, so this is the restaurant with a view. So this is the restaurant, and look at that view. It's like a 360 mountain view. Sadiq Jun.
Most welcome.
He's invited us here for lunch. So they have like a little starter buffet section. It's really all just salad ingredients, and you like make your own salad. And then there's soup there. What soup is it? Super
barley.
This is barley soup. گشتمونه، میخوایم غذا بخوریم. میره چون چی سفارش دادیم؟
من ماهی قزل.
سرخالیش کبابیش. چه ساله. من بختیاری سفارش دادم با زرش پلو. معمولا جوجه میگیرم. این دفعه یکم عوض کردم، بختیاری گرفتم. گفتم زرش پلو ولی مثل که زرش پلو رو میده. نمیدونم چی میشه. سامانه سلام کن با بلاگم. بچه سلام کنید. سامانه جون تو بلاگ مشهد منم بودن. خیلی کلی عشقن. حالا بعدش هم نشون میدم. Well, took the flowers from inside and they're trying to make it a bridal car. So my mum's cousins have actually been married. My mum's cousins have actually been married for 10 years. So we just asked her to take the flower decorations from our table and put it on their car and made it into a bridal car. So that's what we're doing now. We're just dancing to that. So go in the middle. Go. hole with your aloe vera stick.
I borrowed it.
The wind, you guys. Out of summer. So you come to Shisha in the mountains. Literally down there is the hotel that we were in. Sitting here. They're gonna bring everything for us. We are actually invited for dinner. I don't even know how we're gonna eat again, what time. But everyone in this city eats at like 11 p.m. I already had this conversation. So thank God we're stuffed because we seem to be running on their timing for the first time since we got here. Our beautiful cousin. Chillaxing with us. So this is traditional Iranian food of this city. This is food of the city of Birjan.
This is kashk. In Birjan, kashk is purple. Look at the color, it's really delicious. This kashk is really delicious.
And then you mix it with, you add aubergine, and then we have this, it's called DZ. So this is like mixed lamb and potato and chickpeas, and they mash it and they mix it all together. And it's like the most yummy traditional food ever. So we mix all of that together and it tastes incredible. It's the best food that you can get in Iran, I swear. It's the traditional food of the city and we literally like love it. And Bibi, the person who's made it for us, makes it incredibly. And they put it inside, they made it inside this like metal pot. And they mash it all up.
Everything is organic.
It's all organic. Hey babe.
And look at the bread. This bread. Can I have one of that bread, please? And look at this bread. They have to eat with this dry bread. This is really special bread. It's lovely. And you have to cut it like this. I'll show you how.
This is Sol's favorite food in the world, no?
Yes.
For sure. So شب آخرمون اینجا تو بیرجن. کازن جون، حسین جون ما رو دعوت کردن رستوران. بچه سلام، سامان سلام، سلام سلام، بچه سلام. اینجا رستوران It's the best like restaurant here.
Birjan.
Yes. اسمش چیه؟
شمس الاماره.
شمس الاماره. سلام خسته نباشی. And look how cute it is. نشون دادم. It's so.
این در کوب واسه خانم‌هایی که در میزنن، اون بزرگی واسه
این برای آقایونه. چه جالب.
اون در میفهمیدن کی باشه.
چه جالب. ببینید چقدر زیبا. Wow. It's so beautiful here. با ولاگم سلام کنیم. سلام. شب آخر تو بیرجن مهمون شیما جون و حسین جون اومدیم. رستوران عالی. این من عاشق اینجام. آره. مرسی. ببخشید که سلام. مریم جون سلام کنیم به ولاگم. شب آخر اینجا با صفا تو باغ. دیشبم مهمون بودیم خونه مریم جون. کلی زحمتشون دادیم تا 4 صبح داشتیم پاسور بازی و مسخره بازی میکردیم. And here's like all the kids. There's a lot of kids on this trip, guys. I'm not even lying. سلام. موش شب آخر هستش توی بیرجن. همه دست جمع شدیم. من دستم انقدر کوتاست بالا آقا تو نمیخواد بیاییم دیگه. همه رو کلی اذیت کردیم و داریم میریم دیگه. از دستمون راحت میشیم. به ما هم خیلی خوش گذشت. ما بیشتر ما بیشتر به جاش این بلاگر رو تماشا میکنیم یادگاری داریم دیگه، یادگاری از این روزا. بچه ها انقدر همه تو بیرجن واقعا خوش چی میگن خوش میگذره بهمون، همه انقدر مهمون نوازیشون تک قشنگ 5 کیلو چاق شدیم، هیچ کس شلوارشون اندازش نمیشه دیگه، برای همین خوبه برگردیم رژیم بگیریم دیگه. Yeah, so it's our last night and that's it. We're here to like enjoy ourselves, have a dinner and you know, sit around, have fun. Oh, crew. The whole restaurant's pretty much going to be us.